Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video is part 4 of the Rebuild the Box series, finishing the kitchen remodel. Alright, so in the last video I actually took apart my existing kitchen cabinet and rebuilt it with this foam board installation that I had made. Moved my water heater and shrunk it down by 8 inches. So today we are going to take these trim pieces that I had made and we are going to mount them onto the cabinet to make it look a little bit more appealing. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to start on this side of the cabinet, and as you see I got this trim piece set right there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this back here and then we're going to put these anchors, we're going to drill a couple of holes, put these anchors in it, and then I'm going to use some of the self-tappers that I had when I took the cabinet apart, and we're going to put that on. But it's going to make it so that I can remove it whenever I want to, just in case I need to get in there to service the water heater, or if I need to remove my propane tank and I don't have enough room. So yeah, alright, let's get these anchors all set in. And then once it's dry, we can install our paneling here. Alright, so I have one side done, kind of, it's almost done. So anyway, I've got to do this side here, and then I have something for the top of the fridge, and then the bottom of the fridge, and then of course the drawer. So let's get on that and finish the trim up. Okay, so I've got all the trim pieces done, and so now I just have smaller openings that I can put the cabinet doors onto. I also put a trim piece along the bottom and along the top of the refrigerator. Like I said before, screwing these panels on makes it easier to remove, but I tried to keep the panels fluent with one another so they kind of go together. Anyway, it's late, so I'll catch you guys in the morning, and we'll get that drawer in and we'll put the cabinet doors on. Good morning, it is the next day, so let's get to it and get these doors on. Alright, so I have the doors finally on. They work pretty good too. So I'll just put those magnets on and we should be good. And I'm going to be installing these monkey magnets. Alright, so I have the double-sided tape on both sides of this monkey magnet. So what I'm going to do is figure out a nice place to put it. Alright, and I'm going to see if this, see how well this sticks onto it. There we go. To be on the safe side, I think I'm going to take some screws and screw those in as well. Alright, on to the next side. Alright, so the cabinet doors are on, and I also have the drawer in at the bottom. Alright, so the only other thing that I really want to do is I want to actually take all this stuff off, and I want to put on some different stuff here. And I was thinking about starting it here on this edge of the counter right here, and then coming across and then coming down this wall right here. I thought about doing this wall here, but we'll see what happens. And for this job, I have this stuff here. It's some stick-on contact paper, self-adhesive. So Alright, so I got a majority of this wallpaper stuff off. That stuff there is stuck on pretty good. This stuff over here I'm not really worried about just yet because I'm only coming out to this corner anyway. So I'll get rid of that at some point. So yeah, let's start to put this wallpaper in. Alright, so I got the lower part of the shower wall done, and actually that looks pretty good. I can't wait to get the rest of this done, so let's get on that next. And there we have it, completed kitchen. I'm not fully done yet. I need to put something along the bottom here, kind of like a backsplash type of thing. And I'm going to do the same thing along this wall here. And one of the cabinets that I made is going to go up here. And then I'm going to get a piece of molding, corner molding for that. And then of course I got to get a piece of corner molding for the top. But other than that, that's what it looks like now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video in the Rebuild the Box series. Thank you for all the love and support. See you guys next time. Going for a car ride.